Here's a quick word on video editing from someone who owns a niche video agency that specializes in helping people make social media videos. I've seen this trend where the video editing is getting more and more complex with B roll and motion graphics and crazy captions. You do not want to have overly complex editing because what happens is it actually takes the attention off of your message and puts it onto the production value. And that is the opposite of what you're trying to accomplish. So, this is a sample that we put together for our client, Ryan, who is a coach that helps coaches to grow their revenue to 50K and beyond.
Here's exactly why your content isn't working on LinkedIn despite you spending hours editing and trying to think of ideas. It has no direction towards your audience in a way that does three things. One, builds trust. You have to communicate immediately actionable information like tools, frameworks, and resources to your target audience. And again, it must be immediately actionable so they can take that information and use it the same day that they get it. That will keep them coming back to you. It will build social equity, trust in you via your content. Number two, you must be able to sell with your content in a way that speaks to their problems and their desired outcomes, along with the tangible tactics. Again, they must immediately understand those and how it delivers a transformation. And finally, you have to show who you are behind your brand. They must understand who you are behind your posts. So you need story posts that reveal the person behind the brand. Remember, people don't just buy products or services, they buy into the person behind those products and services. If your content is filled with jokes, memes, and that dominates the landscape, or you're getting an article from Business Insider and sharing your thoughts on it, you're just promoting something else. You're not getting people to buy into you. People only buy from people who they know, who they like, and who they trust.